Good morning, students. Chapter is probability. So now, first to know what is probability. In day-to-day life, there is lots of incident happen, which is maybe some probably, doubt, most probably, or chances are there. In that cases, that means all are involved or some uncertainty. This uncertainty can be measured by some numerical value that is known as probability. Now when you find probability, that means P, E means the event equal to number of trials the event happened and by total number of trials. So let's take an example. Suppose a coin is tossed 200 times, in which heads comes 140 times. Now we have to find the probability to getting a head. So P equal to 140 number of times the event happened. How many times heads comes? That is 140. Total number of trials. How many times the coins tossed? That is 200. This gives the probability of that event. Getting a head, that is known as event. Now reduce it. Hundred. So 57 by 100. So probability of that event is 57 by 100. Or 0.57. If we divide it, then you get that one 0.57. Exercise 15.1 NCERT sum number 1. In this question, a cricket match, a batsman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls. So find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. So hits boundary 6 times, total balls 30. So find probability to hit a boundary. Equal to 6 by 30, that is 1 by 5. Now you have to find did not hit a boundary. Total 1 minus this already hit a boundary, so 1 by 5. This one is answer. Question number 2. Number of girls in a family. Two girls, that number of family is 475. One girl, number of families 814. And zero girls, number of families 211. Number of girls number of families 2 girls, total number of family 475. One girl, that is 1814, and zero, no girl, that number of family 211. And total families 1500. So in this question, three things you have to find. First, two girls. So P, two girls. So two girls 475. Total number of families 1500. Now divided by 5. Now 2 Roman 2. P, team, one girl. That one girl, the number of families 814, and total number of families 1500. Now divided by 2. So 407 by 750. Number 3. No girl. Number of girls in a family. Number of families 211 by total number of families 1500. It can't be reduced, so this one is the probability having no girl. Sum number 3. That is section 14.4, example 5. Here the graph is given. The total number of students 40. Students born in August given 6. So P, find the probability student of the class born in August. Six by total 40 divide 3 by 20. Sum number 4. 3 coins are tossed 200 times. Number are tossed. How many times the coin tossed? 200 times. And you have to find the probability of getting 2 heads. Two heads, how many times? 72 times. So probability getting 2 heads 72 by 200, both can be divisible by 2, divide it. Again both can be divisible by 2. Nine 25, so 9 by 25. So this one is the probability of getting 2 hits. Answer 9 by 25. $2,400 families are there and their monthly income is given and vehicles per family is given. First column is 0 vehicles, that means having no vehicles. Next is 1 vehicle and third is 2 vehicles and fourth one is above 2 vehicles. And the first column given monthly income less than 7,000, next 7,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 13,000, 13,000 to 16,000 and 16,000 or more. So you have to find the probability against of that monthly income and owing exactly 2 vehicles, number 1. Number 2, earning 16,000 or more and owing exactly 1 vehicle. In this way you have to find 1 to 5. So number 1, total families exactly 2 vehicles and monthly income is 10,000 to 13,000, exactly 2 vehicles, exactly 2 vehicles, 29. So PE, probability of that event 29 by 2400. Number 2, earning rupees 16,000 or more per month, owing exactly one vehicle. So total families exactly one vehicle. That number is given 579. So P E, probability of that one, so 579 by 2400. Roman 3, earning less than 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle. So total families 24. Own any, that is 10. So EPE, that means probability of that event 10 by 2400, 1 by 240. So 1 by 240 is the probability. Roman 4, earning rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month, owning more than 2 vehicles. So total 2400 earning more than 2 vehicles. That number is 25. So PE, probability of that event divided by 5, again by 5, 1 by 96. So probability is 1 by 96. That is answer. Next, Roman 5, total families 24, owing not more than 1 vehicle. So first, that is 0 vehicle. In 0 vehicle, 10 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, 14 plus 160 plus 305 plus 535 plus 469 plus 579. So which is equal to 2062. So probability PE of that one, why not more than one vehicle, 2062 by 2400, divide both by 2, 1031, and here 1200, 1031 by 1200. So this is the probability of that one owning not more than one vehicle.